Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when PUBG Battlegrounds network lag detected the error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first solution would be to open up CMD and run it as administrator. After that you will have this. Now you want to write down ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter, and now you want to write down nesh winsock reset. And after that you will need to go ahead and restart your computer in order to complete this winsock. Now if that will not fix your problem, you want to open up your network settings. After that, you want to scroll down until you will see advanced network settings, and you want to find your, for example, I'm using Wi-Fi, or if you're using Ethernet, choose that, and then click more adapter options. After that, you will have Wi-Fi properties or Ethernet properties, and you will see Internet Protocol version 4. You want to double click on it and use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to write these down. This is Google's DNS server, so you're gonna write down 8888 and 8844, and you're gonna click OK. If that will not fix your problem, you want to go ahead and disable IPv6, so this one, and you're gonna click OK, and you're gonna disable it and see if the problem persists. After you've done all of that, you want to restart your PC. Now you want to open up Windows Defender Firewall if, of course, none of those fixed your issue, and you want to allow an application to go through Firewall, change settings, and you want to add TSL game, which means PUBG. So I'm gonna show you, here it is for me. I already added it. You want to make sure that these are checked. So you're gonna find it on Allow Another App, browse, and you're gonna find it on, for example, for me it's on Steam Games, PUBG, then TSL game, binaries, Win64, and here this exe file. So you're gonna go ahead and add it to Windows Defender Firewall. If that will not fix your problem, you want to reset your network. So you're gonna find network reset, and you're gonna click reset now. It will restart your PC and see if that fixed your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.